Welcome to Anil TV channel. Today's our topic is active voice and passive voice. So today we will discuss about active voice. So here, when the subject of a sentence is it is doors, the action, the verb is said to be in the active voice. So here, what we express that all comes under active voice. So here, Anita drew a picture. So here Anita draw a picture. So here subject, verb plus object. So here in passive voice, when the subject of the sentence is the receiver of the action, the verb is said to be in passive voice. So here in this passive voice, it receives the actions that are comes under passive voice. So here the picture was drawn by Anita. So here the picture is what here when comes to subject, verb, object. So here when in the passive voice objects come first. So the picture was drawn by Anita. Here ends with positive. Sorry, here subject. So here we have to we have to remember that X. So how here the subject it changes to object. So here object is changes to subject. So when here in active voice is what? Subject to object. So in passive voice object to subject. So this is the rule we have to remember. The uses of the passive voice. So we use the passive voice. So some steps are there. When we focus on the action rather than the doors of the action. So here the radio was recorded by Arun. So here these are the door means action. So here expressing what the video was recorded by Arun. So it is in the direct passive voice. So when the door of the action is unimportant or unknown. So all the letters were dispatched yesterday. So here it is not indicated means normally. So here that's why unknown where it has been did not mention any address. So that's why all the letters were dispatched yesterday. So here next to describe changes that we have happened over a period of time. The school has been opened. So it indicates opened means that it indicates a period of time. So here fourth, in newspaper stories, headlines and formal notices. So littering is prohibited. Example. So here fifth one, in scientific or technical writings in which the process that is being described is more important. Many samples were studied by scientists. So these are the uses of the passive voice. Now changing from active voice to passive voice. So when we change a sentence from active voice to passive voice, we must keep these points in mind how the sentence has been changed from active voice to passive voice. So there are some rules here you see. First one, the subject in the sentences becomes the object and the object of moves to the subject position. We also use the word by to indicate who or what causes the action. So before that I explained that subject is converted to object, object is converted to subject. Now we see with the example. So here Rani collected the money. So here Rani is the subject and here the money is the object. So this sentence is in active voice. When comes to passive voice, so here I said that object comes first. So here the money was collected by Rani. So here subject is changes to object, object is changes to subject. Here by is used. So this comes under first rule. So next, second rule. If there is a subject pronoun in these sentences, then it changes into an object pronoun. So here I is a subject pronoun. So I wrote a poem. So it is in the active voice. So here when comes to passive voice, so here what I said, the object comes from the poem was written by me. So here I changes to subject pronoun is changes to object pronoun. Here I changes to me.